Update video. Piece of crap Aoben rivnut setter tool. Yes. If you buy this, remove this. It doesn't work. It's flawed logic. It doesn't make sense. It's reverse thread. So, when you're unscrewing the rivet out of the thingy doodle, turn, 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 around it goes. Great. With this on there, like that, you're supposed to turn the knob, you know, to make it nice and ergonomic and beautiful, wonderful, but it just screws in and tightens these washers up against there, and then the whole thing locks up. So just pitch this part, add some more spacers there so that there's not a whole lot of extra play there. Make sure that they can turn freely. They can turn freely. And this won't loosen up because left-hand thread, it's a cap nut. So it's just on there tight. And it'll work. So anyway, just completing some half-assed foreign engineering. Peace out.